Hello everyone, welcome back. So this session is going to be on the execution part of the Fibonacci series using recursion. Okay, so let me just put a comment writing. It is Fibonacci series using recursion. So the previous video which I had posted, it is completely the theory concept, how exactly to write a Python program I've explained along with the tracing part. Please don't forget to visit the particular video. Just observe that video. You will understand how to trace a recursive function. Okay, now let me just teach you the execution part. The same code which I already taught there. I'll just explain how to execute and what is the output we are getting. Fine. So what is the first line I would have done? I would have requested the user to enter the number of terms. So enter the number of terms. Okay. Then after that, function definition, right? So see how I write the code. For I in range of n, I'm passing from 0 to n value, print, making a function called fibo of, I'm passing the argument I, comma, end is equal to backslash n. Fine. Now, let me write the function definition. Def fibo of a. I would have used variable a, the same code that I'm already taught you in the previous video. I'm just using that. Okay. Def fibo of a. If a is equal to 0, the first value, then we have to return 0, right? If a is equal to 1, colon, return 1. Correct? Else, otherwise, return the mathematical representation, the general mathematical representation, return fibo of a minus 1 plus fibo of a minus 2. Okay, that's it. Over. My entire code is finished. Clear? Okay, so let me see. The entire code has been explained in the previous video. Please go visit that video. Let me run the code. See, enter the number of terms. When I type 5, I want only the 5 terms to be printed in the series. See the output here. 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. This is the output we get, right? Now suppose, let me run the code again. I give 10 terms. Check the output. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So 0, 1 default value. The next term will be 1 plus 1, 2. Next one, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. Okay. So this is the output. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 terms within the series. Okay. So this is the output of the same code which I had already taught you in the previous video. Okay. So I hope you're clear with the video. Fine. Thank you.